Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Bharti and you're watching BeamHub channel. And as you can see, we have reached a 200 subscriber milestone. So thank you for subscribing and let's get started with our project that we were making. So we have already completed one part of it. This is our new house design. So this house name is Privaco House, and we had some reference images from which we started, and you will also find the links and everything in the description below, so you can check it out. And as you can see, this was our reference image, and we did a some we did yesterday something like this. So we have completed most of its parts, and today we are going to make some more changes to this project. So let's get started. And first of all, let me see that how where do we need to make some changes before starting. So as you can see from this image, that this angle, we did get this angle right, but in this portion here we have a straight line, but we don't need a straight line over that point. What we need over that point is something like this. If I can show you from different angle, let me show you. So as you can see, this is our angle, and in this portion it is slightly in downside, so we will also make that slope of over that point. So what we are going to do is just select, okay, just select this roof like this. Okay, now go to edit profile and then select this one, and you can actually pull it down like this. This is one of the way, and other you can do is you can rotate it by angle. So just place it from this point to this point at an angle of, if I can make a changes, yes, I can make a change. And now you will see that if we make the change, it will show you in degree at this middle point. So as we are changing and it's been changed, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it by 1 degree. One, I pressed 1 on my keyboard and just press enter, and I think 1 is much less, so I will do it at 2. So just rotate it, place once again from this point to this point, and again 1 degree. So okay, it's on the top. Just select this one, place from starting point to ending point at 1, enter, and now you will see that we have got this slope. And just press okay. And now what we can do is, first of all, reduce the size of this roof. So just go to edit type, duplicate it, and write its name as 8 inches. And after that, go to edit type and make it its thickness of 8 inches, and okay, and okay, and done. So now we have this 8 inches wall. After that, what we need to do is we need to attach this wall that is going over this roof. So just select the wall, go to attach top base, and if this doesn't work by any instance, so just select this one and put it down like this, and remove constraint, and then do it something like this on that side. And now I think it's perfect. And okay, no, it's not okay, so we need to trim it. TR is the trim shortcut, and you can also select it from here, and done. And in this portion also we need to make some changes. Do we? So right now I don't think so. In this portion we need to make some changes, so just go to this first. Try to attach it to the top base. If it can be attached, no, so just select this one, go to edit profile, and just make it something like this, and put it on the above side, and from here to here, and press ok. And now we'll see that we have made this wall, but in this portion there's still some gap. So just go to edit profile once again, and then do it something like this, and okay. And now I think it's done, and yes, it is done. And in this portion it is going out of the wall, so we need to put it just above the wall. So just select this one and keep it till here, remove constraint, and just put it on the top side, and okay. And no, it's not yet done. TR for the trim. from here to here, and now it will be done. Yes, and one more portion is left, so that is this one. And just go to this view, go to edit profile. You can also do it by selecting line. Just select this one, TR for the trim, and trim it from this side to this side and from this side to this side, and delete this extra element and press OK, and now it's done. So this is how you make changes. After that, what else do we need to do is we need to put some of the, let me show you this mullions. So first we need to put some grids, and as you can see that we have 1 2 3 4 grids in this image, and 1 2 3 grids in this image. So we will change it accordingly, and we need to make a mullion. So on these sides, as you can see that we have a different mullion, so we will make some changes to this mullions. And just a second. Okay, so in this place we have 1 2 3 million, at this place we have 4 million, so just change it accordingly. So which one is this section, I think. Okay, let me check it out. This section, if I see it from the front view, what I will see is this portion. But if I see it like this, okay, this is the portion. So just select this one, and everywhere we have vertical mullions, 1 2 3 vertical mullions. So first of all, what we can do is just go to edit type and duplicate this curtain wall, and after duplicating, write here 3 mullions or 3 grids. You can also write it as 3 grids. Done. And then we need to go to this layout. In this layout, just select fixed number and press OK. And now as you can see that we have 1 2 3 4 mullions, 1 2 3 4 grids in the middle, but we need to change it to 3. So we have selected fixed number, and now go to number and change it to 3, and now we see that we have this grid. And then we need to apply mullion. So just go to mullion and then select this mullion and go to edit type, duplicate it, and write its name at 2.5 by 5 black mullion. And now just go to this material, and we need to choose anodized black aluminum. So just go to create new material one and rename it as 1 dot anodized black, or you can also write it as aluminum black. So just go to this asset library, go to appearance, on the second number go to metal, and here you will find that material, anodized black material. This is aluminum, as you can see. Apply, okay, done. And now just apply it on the side which you want to keep the mullions. So as you can see, we have provided mullions on these grids, and now we have something exactly like this. So this is how you create mullions, and let me check it out. Okay, this is fine. After that, we need to put some mullions, some grids over this point. So at this point we have 1 2 3 4. So what we are going to do is go to edit type, duplicate it, and write its name as 4 grid. So we just duplicated it, and go to vertical mullions, fixed distance, and not in the fixed distance, fixed number, and now go to OK. And now we have 1 2 3 4, and we needed 1 2 3 4. So this side has exact number of mullions. After that, we need to select this one and go to other side. Let me check it out. So this is our left view, 3 mullions. I think there's 3 mullion. So let me check it from the different perspective. So as you can see, we have 1 2 3 and 4 mullions at this point also, but we have 2 more grids, I mean a window over this point. So what we will do is we will select this one and go to curtain wall, and we had 4 grids. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we have got our 4 grids at this point, and then what we need to do is we need to put two more vertical, I mean horizontal grids. So just go to curtain grid, and here you can select one segment, and then just select this. Just a second, I'm selecting the right segment. Okay, so you can also select this in 3D view. So just make 2 grids like this. So and now we need to change its distance. So for example, here we have at 3 feet 2 inches. You can keep it at 3 feet, and if you want to reduce it, then you can also do it at 2 feet 6 inches. Done. and from the starting point we have it at uh, just a second, this mullion. Okay, at 2 feet 2 feet 1 inches, so you can put it at 2 feet. And now we have our window something like this. If you want to put it on the above side, so in this it is on the above side, so just put it at 1 feet and done. And from the bottom you can put it at, let me check. Okay, here you can put it at 3 feet, and now we have something like this, and we want something like this. So okay, this portion is fine. After that we need to, what we need to do is we need to apply mullions at this point. But before that, let me also make changes to this side. So just go to that particular side. As you can see, we have this side over here, and here we need to put 1 2 3 4 5 6, or let me check from the different side if I can get a view. Yes, from here you can get a view. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have 9 grids. So just go to edit type, duplicate, and here you can write its name as 9 grid. Why I am doing the duplicate, so that we can do it easily. You can also do it by different way, that is just making the grids by your own, but that would be a time taking one. So I'm just using this method. Just go to fixed number and okay, and now here you can do it as 9 grids. And now you will see that we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 2 4 6 8 and 1 9. So we have this 9 grid, and we have our door is at 1 2 3 4 fifth one. So first of all, let me put the mullions. Okay, and how you can directly put your mullions, just go to edit type, and at the fixed distance we have mullions. So in place of vertical mullions, just place this black if we have here. So we have this black mullion, and on the border also you can select black mullion. So just go to this black mullion. Where is that? Rectangular black. Okay, this one. And you can also just select this name and copy it here. And now if we do that, okay, you will see that we have our mullions. And on the horizontal side also, if you want to put mullions on the border, so just go to horizontal and paste this mullion, the same one over here, and press ok and ok. And now we'll see that we have this mullion placed over our all points. And if you want to place the mullions at this point, just go to edit type once again, and then in the place of vertical mullion, just copy paste it. So interior and border 1 and border 2, and then Control C to copy and Control V to paste. That is the shortcut, and not on interior type, just on the border side. And now as you can see that we have mullions on all of our wall except this portion. So if you want to put mullions on this portion, let me see which portion is this from the drawing. So from this portion it is something like this. This is here a wooden wall, and in this portion also we have a wooden wall. This portion also, from where we can see that portion, this is our back portion. Can see. Okay, let me check it out. So I think this whole portion over here is in the black material only. So I think there is a wood material on that point, not a glass. I think this one is that. This a little bit of confusion at this point. So what I can do is just go to this front view, and from here I can see that on the top there is wooden material. Yes, so we need to make some changes to this. Just select this wall and then go to gender 4.5 inches and unjoint element, and then you will see that we have changed the wall, but this we need to make more changes. That is, just select this, go to edit profile after selecting the wall, and select this line and tr for the trim, and from here to trim it, and from here to here, just trim it and fine. Okay, we have leftover here, so just delete that leftovers and press OK, and now you will see that we have our wall at this point and our roof is extruding outside. So what we are going to do is just put it on the inside, and now it's done. And yes, it looks fine from this side. It doesn't look fine from this side, so just go to top once again and place your rooftop till this point, and now it's done. So now I think it looks good. And after that we need to apply our material, and for that let me check if we have made some walls on the top side. So HR is the shortcut to get everything back. Okay, on level 3 I think we have to make it. We don't have any drawing at this point. Just let me hide this one. Double is to hide. And where is our drawing? On level 1 we have our drawing. On level 2 we don't have our drawing. Maybe there is a drawing. So bring to front if I can. No, I can't. So just you can go to this and wireframe, and now you can see that we have our drawing over here, and we need to make some wall on this point and this portion. So before that, let me apply the material to our walls first. So let's just check it out. So first go to manage and go to material, and let me show you first how is our material. So at this point it is at 45 degree, and at this point this is rectangular. So let me check from the other side also. So I think this is a 45-degree angle for all the woods. So we are just going to make that same, and if you don't have this texture, you can find it in the link in the description below. So just check it out. So I will rename it as one dot Anglewood, or you can one dot wood paint. You can rename it as like this, or wood wall. Okay, so after that just go to appearance. Here you need to choose an image. Just select your image. So I'm selecting this image, and for the bump section I will be selecting, let me check which is a better bump. So this one I think is a better bump, and second one is a little bit grainy. So this is our bump, and increase the amount of bump by more than 550, and done. And after that we need to make some more changes. That is, this wood is applied at 1 feet, and we need to apply it at, if you can see, I think it would be at 8 feet, and here our angle will be at 45 degrees. So just go to this option, rotation, and put it at 45 degree and press anywhere. And now we have this angled type of texture. After that go to bump, and here first rotate the image. So where is our rotation? Here, 45, done. After that 8 feet by 8 feet, so 8 feet, and done. And now it's done. And apply, okay. And now select your wall. So just select any of the wall, go to edit type, and here go to edit. And okay, before editing that we can make some changes. Okay, I will not do that. I will just select it directly, wood wall, and okay, and okay. And now we have our wall like this at every portion. And our top portion, let me see what is that made of. So I think it's of the same material. Okay, this is of the same material, but it is at, let me check, this portion is at the same degree. Okay, so just select this one, go to edit type, go to edit by category, and just choose this same portion, and okay, and okay. And now we have something like this. So this is how our wood looks. And if you think that it could be at different angle, so you can just select the image and make a new material once again and change the degree of it by first of all we took it at 45. We can take it as -45 or 35 degree. So it is upon you, and I think is fine at few places but not everywhere, but we will keep it okay. So this is how it is done. After that, we need to make this first floor, and then we need to provide a door at this place, and we need to do some interior. So first of all, go to level 2, and W is the wall shortcut, and here you need to choose 4.5 inches wall, and just go to edit, duplicate it, and at this point you can write its name as uh, okay, wall 4 point, okay, wall top, okay, and it is for the first floor. That is why I just renamed it as top. You can rename it as anything you want, and just go to this and select your wall, uh, any material. For example, right now I will select it as is our this P porcelain, okay, polyvinyl, okay, done. And then okay, go to level 2. You can later on change this material also, no problem. Just go to this wall and make a wall from, okay, we have some hidden grids, so we will activate our grids, and now we have our grids. Just right click over here and unhide in view category, and now everything is unhidden. So just go to wall. Wall is from second floor to third floor, done. And then just draw this wall. So from this angle you can draw a wall till this point. So we have our wall at this point, then again select WA, and there's a wall from this point, and there's a wall from this point. So just attach the both of the wall, then again WA, and I think what we have here is a blank portion type of something, I don't know. So just make a wall over this point, then we need to make a, and at this point I think there's no glass wall on the second floor, if I can see from here. Okay, that is right. And whatever is coming out of this, just select this wall and attach top base, and done. Select this one, attach top base, and select the top of the roof, and now it's done. Go to level 2 again, WA wall shortcut. You can also select it from architecture and wall. And after that we need to make a wall. I don't think anywhere we need to make a wall except at this point. So at this point actually the down wall is coming on the top, so we will see what we can do about that. Or we can like make a new wall from here. So just right now I'm making a new wall from this point to this point, so that no one falls down from this place. And then you can select this wall and give it a base offset of, not the base offset, top offset. Okay, the base offset is fine, and on the top offset we need to provide it at -8 feet, and done. So let me check, we got it right at this portion. And if you want to change the size of it, you can also do that. If you want to make some changes to this, you can also do that later on. So we will see uh, everything about that portion. Then we have a wall at this point, and this is our open area or something, I don't know. So let me check. This is type of our open area, I don't know why it is like this. So what should we do about that portion? We are not going to do anything right now. This is our open area. We don't have a door at this point, so we need to provide a door somewhere. So this is our bathroom, this is our bedroom, so we will put a door at this side. I can't find a door in this plane, so we will do by ourselves. And then let's go to 3D. This is how it looks from this side. If I hide this portion, double S2 hide, double S2 hide, and we can do is we can provide the glass material here, so we can see the outside of this portion. So we will modify it by ourselves also, that is not a problem. And let's do it. So first of all, let us do some interior works. Then we need to do, what else do we need? We need to do okay, just go to level 1, and here we have go to image, and now you can see that we have some kitchen material at this point, we have a sofa at this point, and a TV at this point. So we will do that portion right now. Just go to asset library, landscape, asset library. Okay, before that we can provide door. So before doing anything, let it load, and it will take some time again. I don't know why, just let me check. Okay, it will respond soon. And always remember to save your project in the middle of making it. So I've just saved it, and first let me put a door. Just go to architecture, you can do okay, so we need to provide a door at this point first. So just go to this point and select the fifth portion, 1 2 3 4 5. So select this curtain wall. Okay, before that we need to insert a door. So you can use this load family if you have a Revit 2021, and if you don't have Revit 2021, then you can just go to this load family, go to this library, and here just go to English, and then door, and in door you can find anything that is named as curtain and curtain wall, and then open it, and I will see that you have a curtain wall. So just 1 2 3 4 5. So this glaze we need to change, so just tap on this. So I've just pressed my mouse and then press tab key, and now you can select this glaze system, and after that select your door. So I've just selected it, and now we have a door, and as you can see that we can't see it right now. So how we can see is just go to detail level and do it as fine, and now you can see that we have a door at this point, and now it's done. After that, where else do we need to provide that portion? Okay, this type of door we don't need anywhere else, and I think at this point we need a door. I think so, if we can provide it, not from this plan. And we don't have a door, we have a window, so we will do that window portion also ASAP, as soon as possible. And something off for this portion, I can't understand it. So this is our wall portion, and what if I just remove this portion? No, I can't remove it. So okay, let us do it the way it is, and then just go to level 1, and before that we need to place a door at this point. So just go to level 1 once again, go to architecture, go to door, load family, and you can load a door family that you have, and I will provide the family of the door, so you can check the description. And let me see, we have some kind of door. We have this one, two, this is something of glass door, we will not use that. We can use this door, just open it, and let me check if I can place this door at this point, and no, I can't put this same door. So just select DR, go to edit type, and let me check what is the problem. So it is the height, the width, the depth. So we have 4 inches depth and more than 4.5 inches thickness, so we need to reduce that. We can do it this way also, and we can also do is we can provide here 9 inches wall, and then we can do it. So it would be a shortcut. So just reduce the size of this wall, go to wall, and then first of all let me change the wall, that is our black wall. This is our wall. Go to edit type, duplicate, and then use it as, give it a name of 9 inches, and go to edit type and give it a 9 inch. I'm just using the shortcut. We could have used a different door for the same place, so it is not a problem right now. So from here to here I've just provided a wall, and let me check if these two are attached. Okay, these two are attached. So here D are the shortcut of the door, and then just select this portion, and now you can see that we have placed a door at this point, and it looks something like this. If you want to change the orientation, you can do it like this, and I still don't find it. the way I want. So I will delete this door and then just go to level 1 once again, and then let me check if I have some other door family. So this is one of our door, this is one of our door, and what else do we have in the door family? Let me check if we have something to be used to. Okay, in this door family I can find this type of door. Just let me enlarge it, and then you can see that we have this 3 types of doors. So I am going to use this door, and then you will find the link. Remember that door and door family. Go to desktop, and now here we can just open this one, and it will take some time once again. And we have our door at this point, and let me see if I can change the wall size. Double S to hide the door. No, we can't hide it. Okay, I just chose this wall, and then 4.5 inches. No, I can do that. So cancel it and keep it at 9 inches. Not a problem. So just go to this, and now you can see that we have a door at this point. So this is our black door that we wanted, but it is not exactly the same. So you can just keep it. It is not a problem. I think it looks good. So yes, it does look good. And after that we need to make some more changes. So just go to level 1, and then go to the different view. For example, we have 1 2 3 4 of this type of this table, and here we have wooden material only, so we will use both of this. So let us make some changes. Go to this Enscape family. So just open your Enscape, and now find something that is kitchen based, something of this type of chair. So just go to furniture, and you can write it as chair, and you will find every chair that you have and escape. So you can select any of this chair. Okay, we don't have something like that we have in that project, so we will choose something different. And you can see that we have some okay, we can use this one. Okay, or we can do is, let me check, we have something over here. If I get it right, then I will use that fair family from that point. So it will open a new project. We will find these things. So okay, there is our kitchen. So we have something like this, and here we have, as you can see, we have something like this. So we can use this one. So just Control C, and we can paste it on at our level. So we can't paste it. So just select one of this and load into project. Okay, we have to load this whole family. No, we don't want this type of thing. So we are going to do is select this any one of the family, go to edit family, and then go to this point and load into project, and load is directly into this project. So I'm just loading it directly into my project, and here I will place one of this and press escape, and then I will just remove this. So I will not save it and just remove this one, and now we can change the orientation of this, and now we have it at this point, and then just select this one. You can copy it from this point from here to here, and you can copy it from this point, and you can mirror it directly on the other side. And now we go to 3D view, and now you can see that we have something like this, but we have to change the orientation of this. So just change it, and orientation of this both also. So just select both with Control key, and by spacebar you can change it. So this is how our kitchen looks. After that we need to provide a material that is something oranges material, I think, for that portion. So this is some wooden material. So just go to your project once again, and here we need to make a new material. Go to manage material and we will make a new material, that is one dot kitchen wood, and go to asset library, go to this, and here you will find wood, and from this portion you can choose any of the wood that is glossy type. So I think, let me check. Okay, I will choose this one and put it as glossy, and then flooring or furniture. Okay, I will keep it at furniture and apply and apply. Okay, now just select this one, go to edit family, select this one by category, just select kitchen wood and finish model, and now you can see that we have something like this. That is fine. After that we need to make the changes to this portion. So we need to create a material that is of the same wood but it is of a straight type. So what we are going to do is we are going to make the new material. Go to manage material and rename it as one dot, rename one dot kitchen, what do we call that one, I don't remember the name. So kitchen storage you can name it. So kitchen storage, go to, no, not to asset library, go to appearance, and here select the image. We have this image, and then go to bump, select your image. So I'm going to select this image, and here we need to increase it by more than 550, and done. And after that we are going to make the scaling of it. So just scale it at 8 feet by 8 feet, and done, without rotation. And here at bump, just go to this scale 8 feet by 8 feet, and done, and apply and okay, and just select this one, go to edit in place, select this once again by category kitchen storage, and done. And now you will see that we have something that we want, but let me check it out. Okay, this looks perfect. And after that, where else do we need to make changes? So at this portion we need to create a ceiling, then we have this type of something, and this rectangular anodized material, so we will create that also. So just select this wall. Okay, I will not select that wall, I will select this portion, double S to hide it. Select, okay, or else you can do it, just go to this section view, and in section view just make it a smaller one. So from this portion just do it like this, and from this portion do it something like this. And now we are in this place, and we are going to do is we have to make something rectangular at this point. So just select the right side, and we need to place a slanted type of wall right now, then only we can make that, I think. Or you can do is RP reference plane. No, I cannot use that. Okay, let me check it once again. Go to model, generate model, and we will rename it as, what do we call that, stand. Okay, I know it's not a stand, but I don't remember any name right now. So just do it like this, set, pick a plane, and then go to right side. Let me check if I can use this plane. Okay, I can use this plane, so I've just selected it, and then go to front view, not in the front view. Okay, I have to make everything in this view only, and now we have this view. And here go to rectangle, and let me see how much large it is. So from the down portion, so just select this, make it a little bit down, and then okay, and reduce the size of it by a little bit. You can also make it smaller from here, and This is of square type, and what we have made is a rectangle. Actually we have made something of rectangular type, so not a problem, let it be. So just go to this and here make an offset of 2 inches and then press spacebar, and now you will see that we have something like this at this point, and now we have created it, but we have to put it on the inside. So just follow this portion and then make it something like this, and then put it a little bit inside, and then from here we have something like we wanted to have, and you can increase the size of it from this side if you want to. Yes, we need to increase it a little bit, so just go to edit extrusion and increase the size by a little bit, and now it's done, and press OK, and now you have something like this. And go to this, and we are going to select this anodized material finish model, and now you will see that we have something like this, and we need to copy it at 2 to 3 places. So just go to copy, and from here to here, and from here to the last point. Okay, we can't do that. So what I'm going to do is, let me check it out. So it is fine actually, and why can't I copy it? Just go to level 1 and go to copy, and then from this portion, okay, remove constraints, and now we can do that. So one copy, and then second copy from this portion to somewhere over here, and now we have that. We can keep it something like this, and now go to 3D once again, and now we'll see that we have everything at right place. Yes, we have. And then we need to provide something more at that point, so we need to provide something. Here we have one of our refrigerator, and then we have mixer, so we are going to do that. Just go to level 1, and at this point we have a refrigerator. So let me check if we have something in the kitchen portion. Just go to this, and not for this one, go to furniture, not in furniture, go to accessories, and here if I can find any of the refrigerator. So we don't have that, so you can just download refrigerator Revit family, and we will get something from this point. Okay, we have something like this, we can download it, or this portion. Okay, not this portion, this one, this family. So just download it, the black one. Okay, I downloaded the both, and now you can see that we have it here. Just copy paste it anywhere that you want. So I will paste it in. Here is our folder, families. Okay, this is our folder. Rename it, oh, not rename it, extract it. After extracting, just a second, let me have some water. Okay, now we can just drag and drop it to this portion and here, and now we have something like this. I think it is a bit too large. I can see it from here. Let me check it out first, how large it is. So this doesn't look like a refrigerator. What is it? I've downloaded. I've used something wrong at this place, or what? Okay, no, not a problem, but we don't have the refrigerator that we wanted, so just delete this one. Again, go to this portion. If I can find that family, so side refrigerator, again go to this place, and here you can extract it. So just extract here, and we have our second refrigerator. Which one is that? 28. This is 28, this is 25. Right now we did this one, so just go to this Revit, open. Okay, it's not loading, not a problem. Where is our Revit family folder? Families here. Just drag and drop it. You can also use insert, and now we have, yes. So just go to level 1, component, architecture component, and now we have our refrigerator. But okay, place it on the face. We did this one as something wrong, so not a problem. Just go to this and this it place on a work plane, and now we have that on a work plane, and we have something like this as an image right now. I'm not able to understand why it is happening. Okay, again go to component, place it anywhere like this, and now we have our refrigerator. Just go to level 1 and then move it a little bit on this side and then rotate it. So I will just rotate it by a little bit like this, and now we have it at right place. Go to 3D view, and now we can see that we have not placed our refrigerator at the right place. So okay, we will do something about that. Okay, control Z. Okay, we have our refrigerator, and just remove the section view. That was the problem, and now we have this. And as you can see that now it is right from everywhere, and you can move it a little bit. So I just forgot that I was in the section view and this portion was in the cut mode. That is why I was not able to see it. And let me check the time first. So it's only 45 minutes, so we can make changes to our first floor. Here we need to put a bed, so just go to this, and here just remove everything from this portion, and here write it as a bed. And now you can find any bed that you want to keep on your first floor. So where is our bed? Okay, furniture, yes, we have it here. And now you can use any of this bed if you want. You can also download the bed family for the Revit, so you can search it, but for me it is easier right now to take it from this place directly, and I will place it at this point. So just place it like this, and okay, we need to do it. Let me check it how we can do it angular. So just I have selected this grid, and now it is at angular point, so you can just keep your bed at this side, and now we have our bed. Then we have two of our side portion on this bed. So let me check if we have something like that in our Revit family. So no, not at this portion. So just go to furniture and then bedroom. We have option. No, we don't have. Child, office, and no, we don't have any other option. So just select a cabinet. So cabinet, and find something smaller of the cabinet. So we can use this storage cabinet on this side and on that side if you want to. If you don't want to, you can always download the family. And now I just made it angular, but it is, as you can see that this is a bit too large, so just remove this cabinet and we will load something else at that point. So let me search for it if I have something of that family, or I will use it from the different project that we have. So let me check it out. Okay, this is our, we had something of this type of chair, so I don't know why it was not being shown. What is its name? It's brass tool. So we can change those kitchen chair afterwards, not a problem. And we are finding something of the cabinet type, so you can use these are the cabinet of the offices, so we don't want to use that. And I can't find cabinet section. No cabinets at this point. No cabinets till now. Okay, so if we don't have any cabinet, we will leave it right now. I will search for some cabinet and I will use it in the next session. So let me do more things like and this is our bathroom portion and this is our shower portion, so we will use that. Just go to accessories, here go to bathroom, and now you will find WC. So this is our hanging toilet. You can use this toilet at this point, and now we have that. And if you want to make it angular, you can just place it somewhere here, or you can just go to this place and make it angular like this. So this is one of the shortcut to make it. You can also do it by rotation button, so that is also an option. After that, go to Revit again and search for this bathtub, and we will put a tub at this point. So this is our bathtub, and we need to make it angular also. This one also is an angular one, so just select it like this and put it like this, and then move it a little bit. Okay, now that we have moved it, we need to add something like this bathtub faucet, and we can place it on this side, and we have to make it angular. So just do it like this, and now it is angular. Just put this one over here. Okay, and now select this one and give it a height offset of 1 feet. Now to 1 feet, I will do it at 2 feet, and now it is at 2 feet, and here you can give the hanging toilet offset at 8 inches, and now we have that. This is at 0 feet, and then we have a window at this point, so we will also make that window. And here we have a basin, so we can search for Revit basin, and what we call that basin sink. Okay, just find the sink family. Okay, we have something like this type of sink. Vessel bathroom, no, we need a good sink for our project. I can't find a sink in this side, so just go to this sink Revit family. Okay, we are going to have something, not this one. Go to a different site. You can check it in this side, and this side you will find this family in the link below the description. And yes, we have something over this point, so just let me download this one, and I will directly download it, or you can use this one also. So remember, sign in, and let me download it first. Cancel which one I was going to download was, where is that? We need to download something of standard type. Yeah, this one, and download. And now we have that. Just go to open folder, and we have it here. Just go to family, extract it, and now we have our family. I think this one is that, so I'll just load it directly to our project. We also have a sink over here, but it is a bit too large for our liking, so we can put it. Okay, we have to rotate it, so just go to this point again. Okay, we can't do that at this portion. I can see that. Yes, we can place it like this. And where is our door? Okay, at this portion. And I think it is in the wrong direction. Let me check it out. Go to 3D, and we have it at this place, double H to hide, and we have our basin like this. We will remove it, and then again go to component, and we are going to place it on this portion. So we go to component once again, place on the face, and now we have that. Just press the spacebar once or twice and place it somewhere here. Add this portion. So just rotate it and place it on this point and give it an height offset of, what is the offset? Let me check if I can give it an offset. Okay, we have to give it an offset. And elevation, I can't provide an elevation to level 3. If I do that, no, I can't provide it. So okay, we are going to keep it at level 2 and go to edit type, and here we can find something about the offset. Okay, default elevation is at 4 feet. We will keep it at 6 feet, I think, and press OK. And if I can place it, no, I can't. So what else I can do? I think it is of plumbing family, that is why I can't edit it. So I will download the different one. Just go to this download, and open folder, paste it here anywhere, extract it, get this one, that to project, and if this doesn't work, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it directly. Let me see if I can give it an elevation. So it is a 10 feet, so just put it at level 2, and we have it at, okay, just go to level 2, and where's that one? Okay, undo it, select this one, go to level 2, and at level 2, can I find it? Yes, I can. Yeah, I will give it an elevation of 2 feet, and now it is at 2 feet, and then just move it a little bit like this, and then go to 3D, and now as you can see that we have it over here, but we don't want it at that point, we wanted something at this point. So just go to level 2 once again, and as you can see it is here. No, it is somewhere here, so just delete it, go to component and place it at this side and rotate it and move it. If you can, I can't move it, why? Give it is at the constraint, no problem. So just give it a height offset of 2 feet 7 inches. Go to this view, and now we have our basin, something like this. Is it what we want? No, so just delete it. Just go to Enscape directly, select the basin that is provided by Enscape default. So there's our basin, okay, this one, and now just place it at this point. Just place it like this and done. And now we have this, give it a height offset of 2 feet 6 inches, done. And now we need to provide a window at this point. So this is our basin and HR, and here let me see, where is our bathroom window? So just go to this, and now you can see that we have our window at this point. So just select this portion, and you can go directly to the window, and here you can select 36 by 48. No, we don't need this one. 34, so 16 by 24, something like this. We can use this one, 36 by 24, and we have our bathroom somewhere here. So just move it by a little. Let me check the image. As you can see, it is at the middle portion. If I can see it from the different point, a different perspective, Okay, this is the place where the angle starts. So this is our place, and now we have it at right place. Okay, and then we need to change the material of it. So just select this, go to edit type, duplicate, and write it as bath window, and then instead of slash material, just go to this portion, and here you can provide it with the anodized black. Let me see if it is the same material that I'm saying. So it's that type, yes. So just select this, apply, okay, and now it is black, and now we have it. If you want to reduce the size of it, for example, I think its width is little too much, so you can reduce the width by 2 feet, and okay, and now we have that. And if I can see from the image, we have something of 1 feet. So just again go to this, and we will do it at 1 feet 2 inches. Not a problem. And now we have this, and let me check it once again, and we can reduce the size of it. For example, we have right now it is at 6 feet. So just go to edit type and do it as 5 feet, and now it's done. And now just keep it above and like this, something 5.5 feet actually. So 5.5 feet, 5.5 feet, and okay, and now it's done. And just do it like this. Okay, now we have that. After that, what else do we need to do? This portion is done, this is done. We have created a material. We need to put something here. So we need to put a sofa. Go to level 1, then go to component, not at component, go to this, and then find where is our landscape asset library, and then go to furniture, and here search for sofa, and in sofa you can find something like that. If we have, no we don't, so we are going to use this sofa, not a problem. And just place it here, and we have a sofa at our this point. Okay, and we need to put a TV at this point, so we are going to provide a television. Let me check if we have. Let me check plasma. No plasma. TV. Not a TV. So television. No LED. Okay, we will have to find it by our own. So search a TV. I can't find it. Okay, we have it. Size. This is medium size TV to mount on walls, and this is quite a large size. So what we can use it, we can use this one. Okay, let me try. So instead of angular, we will have it as a straight. So just put it like this, and then select this one and give it a elevation of 4 feet. And now just go to 3D, and let's see what we have. So we can keep it at 5 feet, we can keep it at 6 feet, not a problem. And now we have at this at 6 feet, and okay, then we need to change this material of this stair. So we are going to do that also right now. Let me check what material it has. Oh, it has something of the wood material, so just select this one. And if you think that we can make some changes to this stair, we can do that. Just go to stair, edit stair and go to this edit sketch and just increase the size of this one, and now we will have a stretched stair, and now it is fine. So this is our stair. You can either go to edit stair or you can just go to this, duplicate it and rename it as my stair. Okay, then we need to make changes to the material of the thread material and the riser material. So just go to here and search for sash. If we have, you can use this sash or you can use different type of wood. So I will use sash here, and here also sash. Apply and okay, and now we have this sash material stair. So this is our stair. After that, what else do we need to make? Okay, for the flooring section, as you can see that we have a different floor over this point, so we are going to make that also, and just select this one and give it a height offset of -6 inches, and now we have it at -6 inches this floor, and we can also give it at 0, but we don't want that. We will go to level 1 once again, and here we need to make a floor. So just go to floor, and before going to that, just hide everything that we have. So just select this one and hide in view category, and now we have this portion, and here go to floor, and here just select this line and select this portion, select this internal floor portion, and then select any of this portion and any of this portion, and now it is done. So just trim it from here to here, and trim it from here to here, and trim it from here to here, and now we have our floor of the inside, and this is our inside floor, and just trim it from here to here, and okay, and now we have our floor. The inside floor has been done, and if you want to increase the size of it, for example, just select this one, go to edit type, and you can increase the size of it by 9. So just select it from this outside portion, or you can also select the inside portion actually. So we are going to select the inside portion of it, and here also we are going to select this portion, and from here I'm going to make a line like this, and then TR for the trim. Okay, we cannot trim that portion, just attach a line from this portion to this portion, and at this point just trim it out. So from this portion to this portion, and just done, and go to 3D, and now we have this one as like this, and let me check it out if we got it right. So there is a pathway to walk out, so not a problem. We will make that pathway in the next session, not a, and then we are going to do is we will change the material of this portion. So select this one, and we have something, check the material, and this is the wooden material, but it is a clean wood. So what we are going to do is just go to this edit type, go to edit, go to by category, and we will make a new material from here, and we will rename it as floor material, and then go to asset library, and here go to wood, and or you can go to finish, I think, flooring, and here you can find a flooring that match the same one. So we can use this beechwood, and then okay, and we can give it a tint, and the tint should be of white, more white, and apply it and apply it, and just okay, we need to make the duplicate of this first. So just go to this edit type, duplicate, and okay, and now we have this. Select this one. Is it the duplicate one or the original one? Let me check. So we don't have a duplicate right now. Floor index is 6 inches. We have the name. So what we are going to do is first select this, go to edit type, duplicate, and inner floor and go to edit in category. We have to make it once again. Go to this one dot inner floor and inner floor. Select this one. Go to wood, not wood. Go to finish and flooring. Actually, flooring, which wood. So select any of the which wood and then give it a tint of white color. So I'm just giving it a white color tint and now apply it. Okay, and now we have that. So this is how our internal looks. After that, where do we need to make changes? Let me see. So I think this portion looks like a different flooring. Okay, it is of something of concrete, I think. So just select this one, go to edit and go to asset library once again, go to appearance and here go to flooring once again and find something of, okay, I'm not going to do anything. I will just select any of this that I want and I will go to this apply, okay, and now we have something of flooring like this and we will keep it. And after that we have made something like this. We did this portion, we have our bed, we have our stair in different color. Then we need to make this wall. We will make it tomorrow, not a problem. And then we have our TV, we have our sofa, we have everything. And we need to place some kitchen material. Let me check the time. So it's we have 10 minutes more. So we are going to place some kitchen material here. Just go to landscape and search your kitchen. This is kitchen, and then I cannot load everything at once. If I would have option, I would have just loaded it. So I will just load everything and keep it on this side. So one material done, second done. Just press escape and select the this asset library files one by one and choose everything that you need right now, and then we will give it a height offset directly. So now we need to change its orientation again. We have to find something. Okay, fine. This is something angular, so we can do it like this and place it over this point, and then this portion done. Then food tray, 1 2 done. Then we have the span, over here also. Then this is a refrigerator that we could have used in our plan and I have not seen that. Okay, not a problem. Then some cups, and over here then we have teapot, done. Then we have this wooden bowl, done. After that we have something storage box. We are going to put this storage box on this side of it now. And then what is this? Stack of bowl. So one and one here. Then we have salt grinder. Then We have this clothespan. Okay, we already had that, so we will use this one. I'm just trying to fill this whole portion. And then we have this cloth. Oof. Lemon squeezer. Then we have this wood. I don't know what it is. It is, I think, the roti maker. And place it like this. Then select this one. And we have a bit too much element at that point, so not a problem. We will just assign it at different places with different things. And now it's done. So first of all, we are going to select everything that we can right now. At once. And I think I have selected almost everything. And now everything is selected. Give it a height elevation of 1 feet 6 inches and done. Okay, actually you can give it a height offset of 2 feet 6 inches. Go to 3D, and now you can see that we have this many things over this point, and you can hide this one, double S to hide, and just place it on the top side of the things right now. So I've selected this many things and give it a height offset of 6 feet and 6 feet 3 inches, and 6 feet 3 inches is not enough, so 6 feet 4 inches not enough, 6 feet 6 inches, and I think okay, it is a little too much, so 6 feet 4 inches. There's still a gap, so 6 feet 3 inches is just enough for it. And after that, you can do is just select this portion, go to copy and copy it from here to here. Okay, we can't copy it, so not a problem. Okay, just select this once. Okay, we are not going to do anything for that portion. This is done, and we are going to select every one out of it in the 3D view, and we will give it a height offset, everything at a height offset, or we can reduce the size of this one. Okay, no, I'm not going to reduce that. And select everything, select one by one with the patience. Okay, select it, select, and select this, press shift, and now 3 feet, 3 feet is bit too much, 2 feet 8 inches, and is it perfect? No, we need to increase it by 1 inch more. Let me silence my phone. Okay, and now we have something like this. So this is our kitchen portion. We need to, what else do we need? We need some people, so just go to this and then search for people. Okay, just remove the kitchen option. We will go to this people, and now we have, do we have only this number of people? We actually had more, but not a problem. Just go to remove this P, and now we have this many people. So First of all, I need to place a person in the kitchen, so select anyone out of it. And we have not designed the site, we have to do it in the next session. And a sitting person on the sofa also needed, so we will do both of them. And I can't find somebody that who can stand in the kitchen. Okay, this one is okay. And I will place one male person over here, and I think we need one of the female. So just search for it and you will find it. So yes, this one, fine. Okay, then we need a person who is sitting over the sofa, so just find somebody who's sitting. So this person is sitting, so we can use him. Give him an angle by space key. Then we need something on this second level, so we are going to provide this one. At this place, then we are going to, there was a sitting girl, I think. Where is that? Okay, just find the family that you want to place one by one. Okay, I will place this child on this bed. So this bed height would be 1 feet 6 inches. So I will just place him something like this, and then give him a height offset of 1 feet 6 inches. So just select this one and give it an elevation of 1 feet 6 inches, and now it is done. And go to 3D, and now you will see that we have a portion over here and something is coming on top of it. So just select this one, attach top wall, and then select the floor. And now we do not have that overlapping line. Then we need to do is we need to provide it a material. We will do it tomorrow. Which material, I don't know. And let's just go to 3D and let's see what we have made. So just go to Enscape and start rendering this one. And before that, I would have to I did have to save the project, not a problem. You just remember you need to save that, and we have something like this right now, and we need to provide it something over here, so we will do it tomorrow. So in the next session everything will be over, remember that. And let me save it first and then go to 3D. And now as you can see, we have, okay, we have now provided a light, so we will provide that also right now. And this is how we are going to walk. This is our bed, and here, and as you can see, I'm not able to see him, so we are going to in level 2 right now. Just select this and do it at 2 feet or 3 feet. Okay, and now just see. Okay, we have him over here, and we need to provide a door at this place. And let me provide a door. So just go to this place, and we need to provide a door over here. So just TR is the door shortcut, and you can use any of the door. So I'm going to use right now this one. I will change it later on. So we have our door. So just go to 3D once again, and yes, now we have our door, and this child is floating in the air. So we are going to change his position by 2 feet 8 inches, and now it's done. And now you can see that he is sitting on that bed. And if you want to change the timing, for example, as you can see, you can change it by shift and the right mouse button. Then we are going to provide some lighting, so we will provide it right now. Actually, that is why I did downloaded everything. Before that, we need to provide a ceiling. So just go to this architecture and ceiling, and here we need to provide the ceiling at 9 feet, and we have 6 inches wall, so 9 feet 6 inches. So just select this. None of this element is created. Let me see why it has not been created. And yes, it is created right now. And its height offset is 9 feet 6 inches. Instead of 9 feet 6 inches, we will keep it at 9 feet 4 inches. And let us see that is it overlapping. No, it is not overlapping. After that, we need to make some changes to that ceiling. So let me see what we have that ceiling. So this is a wood, so we need to make a new material, that is wooden material. Just select this one, or you can just go to this ceiling, go to edit type, duplicate it, and my ceiling, and then go to edit, and then go to this finished material, and this finished material, just go to asset library, or you can make a new material, that is one dot ceiling, and then go to this, and here find a wood material. So this one, I think this will be fine. No, this is not fine. Okay, right now we will choose this ceiling. We will change it afterwards, not a problem. So just go to this, and now we have a ceiling something like this. I think it's look fine, so not a problem. And remember one thing, we don't have to provide this ceiling at this place. So just go to ceiling and remove the ceiling from this tier. So ceiling level 1, and we have a ceiling. Okay, just go to this and select this ceiling, and then go to edit boundary, go to level 1, and just edit the boundary of this ceiling from here and from here. Then trim it, we don't need ceiling outside, so you can just put it on the inside like this, something like this. And then we have a ceiling at this place. If you want to remove this ceiling from this portion also, you can do that. No, but we need to keep it because it's something of angular type, so we will keep that one and press OK. And now we have a ceiling something like this, and we have our open portion here, and now we have that. After that, we are going to do is just go to level ceiling 1, go and then go to families, and here you can find some of the light family. For example, if I want to use this enigma, just go to Revit once again, and here just close this one, go to component, insert, and here let me check the time first. So it's 1 hour 28 minutes. I will just end this session. Just go to load family, and then here we have some of the families, enlarge it, and then we are going to select this one. Let me see if I can put it on the ceiling. No, I can't put it here. So just go to 3D view, and then again go to component, and here you can see that we can provide it something like this. No, we can't. So just hide this portion, double S to hide, and then you can also use the section box. And let me insert the different family right now. Just go to this load family, and then you can select this one, I think. Okay, and let me see if I can put it in 3D, and yes, I can do that. One here, and this is at the right place. And then okay, this is not at the right place, we can move it a little bit, and then we can use some different lighting. So just go to this, where our family. Okay, increase the size of it, and then we are going to use something of this type, wall pendant and Revit, and then just load it. I'm just dragging and dropping it. It is easier for me right now. So I did put one here, and then one at this point. Okay, not a problem. And then just hide the upper portion, double S to hide, go to component once again, and place this type of light anywhere that you want, so I will place it at 2, and here also. So I'm just using it for testing purpose. Just go to this, first of all landscape, and resume live update, then go to this, and now we have our, where's our light? Okay, we have our light over here. We are going to do the night rendering, and now we have something like this, and I think it looks awesome. So we have this portion. We will change the outside portion, and here you can see that there's one portion. We can also place something on this portion. So in the TV portion we will try to put something, and here we have this portion. This is how it looks from the outside, and if I change the timing, as you can see. Okay, we have to provide some of the material on the outside, not a problem. We will do it tomorrow, and then we are going to do is, let me change the time to the morning. Okay, so we are not able to see this, but if I try to match this portion to this portion, yes, I have made it very clear. So we will do everything else tomorrow. So thank you for watching, and let me change the time first, and let me show you once again the full house tour, and then I will leave. Okay, so this is our door. From here we enter the house. Here is our kitchen. This is how our kitchen looks. This is our, okay, this refrigerator section. I think there's something wrong, so what we are going to do is just select this refrigerator, go to edit type, and on the base material gray stainless and matte, we are going to change this material. Okay, clearances, we are going to change this clearances to glass. I think go to this and choose a glass applied, and now let's see it. And now you can see that we have this something like this. You can remove this clearance, not a problem, and done. This is our house. This is our TV. As you can see, this is our house, how it looks. So try to make it, and you can attach the links for your, if you try to make this one, you can provide the links to me. I will see how we make it, and what is left, that also we have to see. So this is our bathroom, and we have not provided any light. We will do it tomorrow in the next session. And what we have not made is a wall over this point, so there was some problem in making this wall, so I will make it tomorrow. So just wait for the next tutorial, and I'm signing off.